Hello, I am Ujjwala Shivaji Gaikwad, working as Assistant Professor in Honorable Shri Babanrao Pachpute Vichardhara Trust, Group of Institutions, College of Engineering, Kashti. So today I will discuss the point dry corrosion and its mechanism. After completion of this video, students will be able to explain concept of corrosion, list types of corrosion, and understand mechanism of dry corrosion. So we will see introduction of corrosion. So corrosion, it is a universal phenomenon, and in corrosion generally metals get corroded because of environmental actions. Corrosion, it is a natural process. So in this process, pure metal gets converted into metal compounds. So metal compounds are generally in the form of metal oxides, but other metal compounds are also formed because of corrosion of metal. So we will see definition of corrosion. Corrosion, it is the destruction of metal by chemical or electrochemical attack of environment. So this is the example of corrosion, rusting of iron. So we will see types of corrosion. So depending upon the conducting medium, there are two types of corrosion. If conducting medium is gas, that type of corrosion is called as dry corrosion. Second type is wet corrosion. In this corrosion, conducting medium is aqueous. So in this video, we will see only one type of corrosion, that is dry corrosion and its mechanism. So this type of corrosion is also known as oxidation corrosion or direct chemical corrosion. So this type of corrosion takes place because of direct attack of gases which are present in atmosphere, and therefore this is known as direct chemical corrosion. So this type of corrosion occurs because of direct attack of atmospheric gases. In this type, when metal comes in contact with gases which are present in atmosphere, it corrodes metal. So it is a time of thinking. So here is question for you. Which are the different types of gases which are present in atmosphere? So pause the video and write down answer in your notebook. If you have finished, again play the video. So I think you have finished your answer. So in atmosphere, different gases are present like oxygen, sulfur dioxide, H2S, nitrogen oxide, ammonia, and other gases are also present. So among these all gases, oxygen is present in largest amount and it is present everywhere, and therefore it easily attack on metal surface and corrodes metal by formation of metal oxide. So we will see dry corrosion. So dry corrosion, this is the definition: corrosion of metal due to oxygen, called as oxidation corrosion or dry corrosion. So this type of corrosion is also known as oxidation corrosion, in which metal is oxidized to metal oxide. So this is the definition of dry corrosion. Then in next point we will see mechanism of dry corrosion. So mechanism of dry corrosion is very simple, and in this dry corrosion 4 steps takes place. First step is adsorption of oxygen gas on the surface of metal. Second step is dissociation of oxygen molecule into atoms. Then in third step, there is formation of ions, oxide ion and metal ion. And in last step, that ions combine to form metal oxide film, and that deposit on the surface of metal. So these are the very simple steps of mechanism of corrosion. So we will see reactions of dry corrosion and diagram of this dry corrosion. So these are the reactions. First reaction is two metal atoms forms two metal ions, and 2 electrons. So this reaction is oxidation reaction. So in second reaction, oxygen molecules takes that electrons and form oxide ions. That reaction is known as reduction reaction, and this is the third overall reaction. So in this overall reaction, metal atoms and oxygen molecules combine to form metal oxide, and this metal oxide film deposits on the surface of metal. So this is the schematic diagram of this mechanism of dry corrosion. This is first step, adsorption on metal surface. So this is O2 molecule. So this O2 molecule adsorbed on the metal surface. So these are the atoms of metals present on the surface of metal. Then this is second step. So in second step, what happened? This oxygen molecule dissociate into 2 oxygen atoms. Dissociation of oxygen molecules. This is third step. So in this third step, what happened? Oxygens are electronegative atoms, and therefore oxygen takes electron and form oxide ion, and metal atoms being electropositive loses electrons and form positive ion. Means oxide ion is negative ion and metal ion is positive ion. So this is loss of electron by metal and gain of electron by oxygen atom. And in last step, that 2 ions combine to form metal oxide, and that metal oxide deposits on the surface of this metal, and there is formation of metal oxide film on the metal surface. So this is the detailed mechanism of dry corrosion. So in this video, we have seen introduction of corrosion and mechanism of dry corrosion. Thank you.